Hey, what's going on, everyone? Good morning to you. This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video. This is an update to my turning 20 cent or turning 20 cent into, I can't remember, but it's an update to me trading with 20 cent video, update to me trading with 30 cent now. So um, before we get into it, always remember that there are risks involved when trading Forex. I am not a licensed professional financial advisor. The content on this website is solely based on my opinion. Okay, so um, let's get into it. So basically, what we have here, we have one, two, three 10 cent lot size trades, and so totaling basically 30 cents. And so we have basically currently we have a profit of $132, $133. Okay. Um, I'm not I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to boast because this is this is off of a small account. Okay. But I'm here to solely provide inspiration for you guys, um, solely provide hope and a path for many of you. All right. Many of you are looking for a way to sustain your household during this coronavirus pandemic. Okay. And really, a lot of you are, really starting to see how um, we all need to make some changes. We all need to make some adjustments as far as how we're making a living and taking care of our families. Um, I've been doing this since 2016, been going live, showing you guys since 2016. You can check my Facebook, my personal Facebook page. Just look me up. Um, my name is Benny P. Childs III. I go by Pastor Benny. Um, uh, Legitimate pastor, pastored for a few years um, in a four-wall church. Uh, Now I'm doing ministry in a different way. Um, so, but you guys can look me up. Um, I've been I've been doing this. I've been standing on the rooftops. um, just really trying to get people to turn to Forex. I would always say, listen, even if you don't join my community, even if you don't have me as a mentor, learn Forex. All right. And so this is just a small display of the power of Forex. All right. So, and always keep in mind that the market is going to fluctuate. Okay. I have my take profits. I have my reasons for my take profits being here. Okay. This is where I believe the market is going to go up to, to this point. But the market is on a journey, all right? And any journey that you're on, whether a physical journey or whatever kind of journey, there are going to be pit stops, all right? Like for instance, here we had this long run. We ran into a pit stop, and the market slowed down and it accelerated back up. Okay, the market is always on a journey. The market is always on a destination, and like I've just recently started articulating, um, we have to be patient with the market and attentive. All right, listen to the story that the market is telling us. All right, and that's how we're going to be profitable. Okay, so And again, this is speculation. It doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to reach up here. Okay. I don't know why I got this stock. Oh yeah, yeah, I was trying something out. Let me take this stochastic off of here. Excuse me. My computer is going slow. All right. My other videos I did were on like a little trading laptop that I have. All right. So right now the market is experiencing a pullback. Let me see. Okay, yeah, this is it. The market is experiencing a pullback. If we switch over to my workflow trading system, then we'll see why. It's, it's showing us that the market is in or coming up to a point of exhaustion, okay, on the lower time frames, on the 15-minute time frame, okay. And so this is kind of why we're seeing this pull back here. All right, it's no coincidence that it's pulling back at the 2900 price point. Okay, banks, the market makers, they love, they love these round numbers and half numbers and things of that nature. So there's no coincidence. But again, I'm expecting the market to at least come up to here. Okay. Again, I have my reasons, but I don't want to give away too much yet. Okay. You just have to. I invite you rather to head over to the website and sign up on one of the very affordable, um, mentorship levels. But anyway, so and it is what it is. I mean, if you have been around Forex any amount of time and have received like the proper training, then like you can clearly look at the chart and know why my take profit is here and why I'm expecting the market to go up further. So, but I just really want to show you guys the power of Forex. Look at this. Hopefully, let me see if yeah, I didn't think that was going to do anything here. I just want to clear out this space for you. Yeah, you guys can see this. Look. So, trade one, we're in profit 478 pips now. Trade two, we're in profit 739. Oh, it's going up 741 pips. Trade three, we're in profit 985 pips. Okay. Um, and if I change the profit display to points, you guys can see that here. Okay. And let me just sort it like this. All right, so here's the first trade, currently up 761 pips. All right, second trade, currently up 503 pips. Third trade, currently up 118 pips. Okay, and all I did, I just started compounding. All right, and I know I could have been more aggressive in the compounding, but one thing that I really try to get across to you guys is to just like we don't have to be greedy, right? We don't have to be impatient, but we can just you know take what the market gives us, right? Now, granted, everything is exponential. Okay, I really like to show you guys smaller accounts because um, it's more people out there who really don't have a lot to begin with, and so I want to show you. Look, we took a 10 cent lot size, and so um, in the past I was recommending you guys to do half of 1% of whatever your account is, and that's still fine. But if you don't mind being patient and growing your account. Now I'm telling you guys to do the 1,000 pip rule. So for every $100 in your account, trade a 10-cent lot size. So um, if you basically, if you have $100, get into your trade at 10 cent, and then as it goes into your favor, go in another 10. Okay, as it break your your points of interest, keep going. Keep going in. Just keep compounding that way. You don't have to be greedy. All right, you don't have to come in here with $100 account and put a 1.0 lot size, which is a standard lot size, which is $10 lot size, because you're not giving the market room to breathe if you do that. All right, but knowing what to trade and how to trade it, like, you'll grow that $100 account in no time. Okay, and so you really have to change your mindset. Like, you're trading against market makers, and really you want to learn to trade with the market makers. All right, you want to be able to eyeball and see and understand the market, the way that they have set the market up. Okay, there is no eyeballing and seeing the market the way they see it. All right, because the way they see it is how they set it up. The market is set up for you and I to fail at trading Forex. All right, they call us retail traders. Okay, but my goal is to share the knowledge that I have received, right? And more so what I have discovered, right? Because again, this is years of me searching YouTube, years of me reading blogs, years of me um, just blowing accounts. So you know, it's all of that. So, and just really looking to see exactly, okay, this is how the market is set up. It's all about, again, market structure, market cycle, market manipulation. And it's set up for us to fail. Listen, I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna fail if you come to here thinking that fundamentals is the way to go. Thinking that all of your trades have to be based on the news, based on what, you know, the stock market is doing. Like, the stock market does what they want the stock market to do. Like, literally. Like, our governments around the world, they're not as innocent as you may think. They may act like things take them by surprise, but I mean, you can just watch my past videos. Like, this whole coronavirus thing, like, this stuff has been planned out. Stimulus checks, the way the market is fluctuating, the way the stock market is fluctuating. To me personally, I won't step near the stock market. Why? When I can trade instruments through a Forex broker. I can trade I can trade the stock market. You want to trade the stock market? You want to trade stocks? You can trade stocks. Apple, AIG, Adidas, American Express, Boeing, Google, Facebook, GE, Ford. Let's see if we got Tesla. Now, again, and this is my humble opinion, anybody who's pushing the stock market are not informed. They're undereducated, they're underexposed, and they're under influence. Anybody who's telling you that the stock market is the end all be all, anybody who tells you that Forex is end all be all, is the end all be all, they are undereducated, underexposed, and underinfluenced. And those aren't the people that I want to learn from. Not in that area. Can they teach me something else? Yes, but not in the area of trading. So, and again, that's my humble opinion. That's my humble opinion. So, right now it's retracing again. As I showed you guys, it's to be expected. This is the kind of thing that happens. Look how it went up. Even back here, it went up for 1,039 pips before. Man, my computer's going so slow. Before it went down. All right, this going down is just a simple pullback of about 550 pips before it kept going back up. So we just kind of let it do its thing, right? That's why you trade. That's why you use proper account risk management. Proper account risk management will kind of allow you to keep your emotions in check. Okay, like I said, especially if you're doing the 1,000 pip rule, it will allow you to do that. So, um, like just being patient is like one of the keys, and just not tripping out whenever the market goes against you. However, if it goes too far against you, then you know you you need to reconsider your projections. I would need to reconsider my projections. So, but um, I'm gonna stop telling you guys not to use stop losses. Um, but I just don't like them. I usually don't put take profits, but when I went to bed, I was like, let me throw in take profit just in case it shoots up and it pulls back. So, um, so one of these trades would be this is a $28 take profit, and the other would be 67, and then I think my longest trade would be like 90 something. So you're already looking at what over 170, um, $170 over, close to $200 off of 30 cents if it continues to go in my favor. Okay, so but again, just wanted to share this with you guys, again, as inspiration. Okay, and just remember, everything is exponential. So if I can do this with 30 cents, and if you have more money to put into your account, then if I can do this with 30 cents, $3 would have us at over $1,200 right now. So don't look at the fact that, oh, it's a small account. All right, again, I'm really trying to encourage those individuals who don't have a lot. If you have a lot, then using using my knowledge, using my strategies, then you can run up a bag, as the kids say these days. um, so, but yeah, and so guys, if you want to again lessen your learning curve and join a small but supportive community. As of right now, it's small, but we're very supportive. I'm very supportive. I'm only a message away, an email away. I invite you to head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and again sign up on one of the affordable membership levels. So each level has its perks. So you just have to decide what is right for you in this moment of time. But we're here. We're yet growing. All right. The channel itself, we're at 472 subscribers, and I'm so appreciative of that. You just don't know if you are a subscriber and you're watching and you watch the videos. I'm so appreciative of that, and so to show my appreciation, I'm doing a giveaway starting at 500 subscribers. All right, it's not a lot, but I'm going to be giving away $25. All right, every time we get 100 subscribers. So starting at 500, and then at 600, 700, so on and so forth. All right, I'll be giving away $25 plus a free 30-minute Zoom session where we're gonna go over a strategy to help you flip that account. Okay, now you already see what I'm doing with 30 cents. Okay, so don't worry, you're gonna get this $25 free that you didn't have to do anything for other than subscribe, like my videos, and comment your cash out in below the videos here on YouTube. That's all you have to do. So and if you want us to hurry up and get there, then share the channel with your family, with your friends, with your enemies. Tell them to subscribe. Okay, and we'll do that. All right. So I'm looking forward to doing that once we hit 500 subscribers, and then I'm also looking to, once we have the channel monetized, to um, releasing all of um, the current strategies for free on the channel. So um, yeah, if you guys could help me get there, that would be great. Promise to give back as much as possible. Okay, because we want to see everyone to succeed. So, all right, um, that's gonna be it for right now. Right now, I think when we started the video, we were probably at $134. But again, we know that we have this little pullback, this possible pullback that we're gonna have to deal with. So. Um, uh, as far as the um, trading system, all right, this is my workflow trading system template. All right, starting out, I was scalping with the market makers method. Okay, and I was looking for a way to trade the market makers method easily. All right, and so again, I found some open source um, indicators. All right, tweak the codes of a few to kind of match the market makers method. Okay, to make it easy for me to trade that, and then I shifted my trading to more of a swing trading style. Okay, and so that's why typically you guys will see me do my pair watches on the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour chart. And so that's what this is. So um, that's what the system derived from. So if you are a market makers method trader, the system will definitely help you with that. If you are a swing trader, you know, trading like the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. All right. Um, this will help with that. If you are a scalper trading the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, this will help you as well. Okay. I really like, I love using this system on the 1 minute chart, scalping the S&P 500 with about anywhere between a 10 cent to 50 cent lot size. Um, Very powerful because if you know how um, the the um, the stock indices work, the indexes work, the value is different, right? It's just different. So you can come in here and with a 10 cent lot size and really like scalp this thing. So like here is a profit. 1 second, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. Here's a potential profit range of 65 pips. Okay. Um, Here is, so trading that at 50 cent. Excuse me. Lot size, would be pretty pretty major for the amount of time that you enter the trade and exit the trade. Um, so I really love doing it like that. But yeah, this is what this trading system is. I call this the training wheel. So whenever you join the community, while you're learning to um, trade a naked style of of, of trading, while you're developing it, this will help you to develop your eye. Okay, this will help you to develop your eye to eventually trade like this without needing any indicators whatsoever. Um, Maybe I can't. If you want, you could throw on a moving average. I have this moving average on here. I think it's a 200 simple. Man, this desktop is going so slow right now. I don't know why, but what's that moving average? Oh, it's a 50 simple. I usually have a 200, but this is a 50 simple moving average. Um, that, and then I do have um, this indicator on here that's showing me the quarter points, but you don't even need that. You can grab the horizontal line tool and change the coordinates, you know, to for that. So um, essentially, you know, again, you're trading it without indicators. Okay. Um, and to be honest with you, you don't need the quarter points. You don't need the moving average. You really just need to be able to recognize market structure, the cycle, and the manipulation, uh, and you can trade. You can trade Forex. So um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, so yeah, we'll let this do its thing. We'll see if I'm gonna reach my profit target up here, or if the market um, goes against me. I would say if it goes down to the 28.75 price point, um, that would mean that I would take a loss on this trade and cash out on these two trades right here. Okay, so that's basically what I'm watching. But all signs point to the market coming up at least until, well, you can't really see that, up at least until this area right here. Okay, just below the 29.25. Will it continue to go up? Listen, They they have set the stage. All right, the second stimulus check is coming out. All right, they're wanting you to pump. They're trying to do that to quote unquote pump money back into the economy. Okay, trying to getting us to spend money again. Okay, so um, I have no doubt that the market is going to go further um, than this. But again, for me, this is the area that I see the market at least coming to. Okay, and that's where I'm looking to take profit at. And then after that, we can reevaluate to see if we want to get back into the market. Okay, so we're at 137, 136 right now in profit. Let's drop down to the 1 hour again. No, let's drop down to the 15-minute here. All right, and so um, like I always say, these the exhaustion squares, they do repaint. Okay, so that's why again you have to make sure all of the entry rules are met to make sure that you get in on a high quality trade. Okay, again, what are those entry rules? I pretty much say it in every video, but you wait for an exhaustion square. After that, you look for a directional arrow telling you which way to trade. Okay. After that, you're going to look for a color changing candle that when you align it with the TDI, you want that color changing candle to make the green price line cross both the red signal line and the yellow market sentiment line. And for me, I like to make sure that it is visible. So I would not have gotten in on this color changing square, but I would have gotten in on this color changing square right here. Okay. And so this is the 5 minute. So if we were scalping the 5 minute right now, we're looking at a potential profit range of 188 pips. Okay. So, but again, they do repaint, and so that's why I created that 4 step process. So, look, guys, right now we have turned 30 cent into $138. Like, you can't do that on the stock market. Again, I don't know what other market you can do that in other than Forex. You can't do that with penny stock. I should say, my understanding is you can't even do that with you can't do that with penny stock. Okay. If you want to get in on Facebook, their, I think their shares are what, a few, what, the top hundreds to thousands or something like that. You have to have that. But the Forex market, you can come in with $100, use the proper account risk management that I'm suggesting, and turn 30 cents into right now, $137. No other market. No other market. So, and it's not hard. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how educated you are not. Anybody can trade this. And Forex is not hard. It's hard if you don't have the right information. It's hard if you're undereducated. It's hard if you're underexposed. It's hard if you're under influence. But if you have the correct knowledge, it's easy. All right. Again, I tell you guys one way all the time, and this works especially with trendy markets. But an easy way to trade Forex is by simply using trend lines. And waiting for it to break the trend line. Plain and simple. You can do that. You can start trading today just with that knowledge. As simple as that. Now, again, is there more to it, trading Forex, than with trend lines? Yes, I will tell you that. And no, I don't teach trend lines. Um, that is not what I teach. All right, that is not what I try to get individuals to learn. But it it will definitely put you in the right direction as far as being profitable and teaching you some type of patience. But you want to look at more than trend lines. And again, can you trade trend lines and be profitable? Yes, you can. All right. But what are you going to do if the market goes sideways? All right. Trend. Remember, just listen to the name, trend line. Okay. The trend of the market. It's for when the market goes in a trend. So, and that they don't always work out, but again, you can make some profit with trend lines. So again, like let's say we put in this trend line right here. Okay, we see where the market broke, and it did run down 140 pips here. Okay, but then eventually 390 pips here. All right, but in order to get from here to here, putting in this trend line is not going to help you to manage the trade. All right. So again, you can trade. This is an easy way to start being profitable with simple trend lines. But as far as like, oh, well, let me see about managing this trade and maybe running it down to here. That this one trend line is not going to work for you. Okay, just being upfront. But you can use the trend line to get started. Okay, so we're at what, 130 now. So again, the market is just fluctuating. All right, that's what it's doing. That's what it does. The workflow template is showing us that we are in a possible area of exhaustion turnaround. Also looking at the TDI, it shows that. So I expect it to run back maybe to the 28.75 or just a little bit below it. If it's gonna go that far, it may not go that far. So, but we'll just keep watching it. Um, I'm gonna go lay back down, take a nap. I'm not scalping the market makers method this morning. I may come back some time later on in the week and do that. But look at GBP USD. All right. Um, I told you guys what my speculation is for GBP USD. All right. I do have a sell stop down here. Okay. I am expecting for GBP to eventually come down here. I don't want to give too much away, but I'm expecting for it to come down and break down here. Now, again, this is just my expectation. Again, I would just have to wait to see what the journey that the market is telling me. Okay, but I have my reasons to believe that it will go past this eventually. This week is what I'm hoping for. But um, yeah, so I'm expecting that, but um, I'm just not scalping the market makers method this morning. But again, you can see how easy this is up to that at the current high of the day. All right, market makers method. That's all the market makers method is. Just teaching you how to trade. Oops. It does not help that I don't know why this computer is going so slow right now, but that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you guys. All right, the market makers method is teaching you how to trade the high of the day, and you do that. One way of doing that is by recognizing the patterns that the market market creates. Now these M patterns, and one day I'll go into detail for you guys, but the M patterns are either M patterns, or the turnaround patterns are will be either an M or an A or a head and shoulders, and vice versa for um, the low of the day. You're looking for a W, a V, or reverse head and shoulders. So we did get an M here. All right, and again, exhaustion square, directional arrow, color changing candle that aligns itself on the TDI with the green crossing the red and the yellow. Bam, get in, catch your 20 pips, get out. That's what the market maker teaches us. Catch anywhere between 20 to 50 pips. And again, I had to figure out a way for me to easily trade the market maker's method, and that's what happened. And so again, I evolved into a swing trader, and so the workflow trading system was created. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here now, guys. I hope this has inspired you. I'll be back. We'll see how my S&P 500 trade pans out. Again, I'm hoping that our take profit will get hit, but if not, then hey, it is what it is. There's more opportunity to trade. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it. I appreciate you guys. Always remember, if you stay in God, you stay in control. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment your cash tag or PayPal in the comment section. All right. And so, in order to be able to enter into the chance to win the $25 in the 30-minute Zoom session. All right. I appreciate you guys again. Until next time, happy pip fishing.